Good morning to everyone. This is Agalya Kausi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Vihar College of Engineering. So today we are going to see the topic called divided differences. So this is a divided differences formula, and we'll go to the problem. Use divided differences formula to fit a polynomial to the data and find y when x equal to 1. They are given a tabular column, that is x minus 1, 0, 2, 3, and y value 8, 3, 1, 2, 12. First, you have to define the x naught, y naught, x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3. So then you have to create a divided differences table. First, you have to write the x value and then you have to write the y value, whatever given in the tabular column. So now y means that a triangle shape symbol is called as the differences. We are going to find out here. Just to see here, first you have to write the y value, that is y value. Here they have given minus 8 and 3. First what you have to write is 3. You have to write the second value first. That's why they have written 3 minus of minus 8. You have to write minus of, as per the formula, there you have to write minus, but here you're having the y value as minus, means therefore minus minus become plus. That's why they have written 3 plus 8 divided by corresponding values, x values here, that is 0 minus of minus 1. You have to write, so minus minus become plus. That's why they've written 0 plus 1. Now add above value. 3 plus 8 is 11, divided by 1 means automatically it becomes 11. And come to the next value. Where you have to write means you have to write this del y value in between both the first value and second value. In the middle you have to write it. And then next value, 1 minus 3. Third value minus second value, 1 minus 3 in y, divided by x value is 2 minus 0. So we have to write minus 2 divided by 2, then finally you will get minus 1 as the answer. And the last one, 12 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 2 you have to write. That means you will get 12 minus 1 means you will get 11. 11 divided by 1. Again it will have the 11 itself. This is the del y. That is the first difference table you have written here. Now you have to find out the second order. That is del square y. What you have to do is, already you have find out del y. No, you have to take that 11 and minus 1. So first you have to write is the second value minus the first value. So minus 1 minus 11 divided by, what you have to write in the denominator means the third value minus of the first value. So because it is a compressed value, no, that's why they have written 2 minus of 1, minus of minus 1 you have to write. That means you will get 2 plus 1. Therefore minus 12 divided by 3 you get minus 4. And then you have to come to the next one. To write 11, that is third value minus second value. 11 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1, divided by 3, that is 2 minus of minus 1. You have to write. So that means you will get 2 plus 1 equal to 4. You have to write the value. So now you have to you have find out the del square y, that is second order. Now you have to find the third order. Just to check out, that is minus 4 and 4 is here. 4 plus 4 divided by 3 minus of minus 1 becomes automatically, it becomes 2. So then you will get the value as 2. So finally you are getting a single value. So there you have to stop it, and then you have to proceed with the formula. And I have written that Newton's divided differences formula, and you have to apply all the values whatever in the tabular column. You have to take that value and have to write. What is f of x naught comma x1 means? What value you have to find out in the del y. And then what is f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 means? That is the second divided differences value you have to write here. And then that means first value in the tabular column, first value you are finding out, no, so that value you have to apply here. Finally you have to conclude all the x terms. So you are getting a polynomial called 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 3 you are getting, and they are asked to find out y of 1. So instead of x you have to apply 1. That means you will get the answer as y of 1 is equal to 2. This is the Newton's divided differences. Similarly, the next problem for the Newton's divided differences formula they are given here. Some x terms. They also find out f of 8 and f of 5 they have given. Yeah, I think this problem I have already discussed in the Lagrangian interpolation formula itself. Some corrections was made in that problem. So if I have written the x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 values and also that y values, and now we are creating a tabular column. Similarly, as like in the first problem, we have to create a tabular column del value. First, I'm writing as del value. Here, see here, there's a second value minus the first value divided by x values second minus first. That is 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4 equal to 52. Similarly, 294 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 5 equal to 97. Similarly, you have to do for 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7, and then 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10, which is equal to 310. And then 2028 minus 12,210 divided by 13 minus 11, 409. You're getting. This is del value. Now you have to find out del square value. So similarly, you have to find out the del square differences, that is del values differences, the 97 minus 52 divided by 7 minus 4. So say you're getting the answer is 15. And also 292 minus 97 divided by 10 minus 5 is equal to 21. Then 310 minus 202 divided by 11 minus 7 equal to 27. And then 409 minus 310 divided by 13 minus 10 equal to 33. Now this is del square value. Now we have to find out del cube value. So I'm finding out the del cube value, I'm getting the answer as 1111. So finally, if you are taking that differences, it becomes del power 4 as 0. So there you can stop the difference table and apply the divided differences formula here. F of x into f of x equal to 48 plus 52 into x minus 4 plus 15 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 plus x minus 4 into x minus 5 into x minus 7. After that it will become 0, that's why they didn't return the value. And then after getting this polynomial, directly they are applying the x value, that is x equal to 8 here. That means they're getting f of 8 as 448. If we are applying x is equal to 15, they say above value, we are getting the value as 3150. This is the Newton's divided differences. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me.